Hello, I'm here from Kansas City where we're currently seeing some snow showers going on, along with definitely that cold going on right now, and it's only going to get worse over the next few days. I want to first start out with winter storm warning. A winter storm warning goes in effect from 6 p.m. this evening all the way to 3 a.m. on Wednesday, where we could potentially see snow. Really, snow is expected. Snow totals of 4 to 8 inches possible. The more north you go, the less snowfall you'll see in that range, so near 4 inches. And the more south you go, you'll see more of that 8 inch area for the Kansas City area. There is a winter weather advisory, not included in Kansas City, but just northeast of Kansas City, where they're expecting a little less snowfall, but still going to see a few inches of possibly snow being possible. Winter storm warning, though, is where we're going to see the worst of this winter storm. There's also the Winter Storm Severity Index, which basically measures how impactful the storm can be. And we are under the moderate impacts. I consider that 2 out of 4 on the impacts range, which means expect disruptions in daily lives. So we'll likely see problems on the roads and stuff, possibly closures from schools and stuff. We'll likely see that with this winter storm, with it causing potentially up to 4 to 8 inches in the Kansas City area. We also have a cold weather advisory going into effect tonight at 9 p.m. and going all the way to Wednesday to 6 p.m., where we could see some potentially extreme wind chills all the way down to negative 25 degrees below zero. So we could potentially be seeing some pretty cold weather in the area over the next few days. Then on Wednesday evening into Thursday morning, we have an extreme uh, cold weather watch, which could be upgraded to a warning very soon. This is something we don't see way too often. This means potentially extreme cold weather is possible, something that we don't see very often here in the Kansas City area. Potentially wind chills below negative 30 degrees here, so that's going to be very cold in the Kansas City area, so you need to be prepared. We may have some problems with pipes and all that, so just be prepared for that this week. So the temperatures will not get above freezing until this weekend around Saturday. So we're going to be below freezing, potentially even single digits or below zero over the next few days. And Saturday is really the next time we'll be above freezing. So it's going to be very cold out there. You will have to stay warm if you're in the Kansas City area, because we're not going to get above freezing until this weekend. There is some hope on the horizon. It does look like we are going to see a warm up potentially next week, potentially maybe in the 50s, possibly. So, some hope on the horizon. We'll continue to watch it. It's still a little far out, but again, it does look to be warmer next week. Doesn't look to be as brutally cold as this week is. So, make sure you're prepared for the cold weather and the snow here, as we probably will be dealing with this for the next several days.